Get ready to be amazed as we unveil the mind-blowing abilities of the revolutionary ChatGPT-5, taking AI to a whole new level of sophistication. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our exciting video about the upcoming release of ChatGPT-5. As you may already know, ChatGPT has become one of the most advanced language models in the world, and it's only getting smarter day by day. Rumor has it that ChatGPT-5 is set to be released in December, and we can't wait to see what amazing new abilities it will bring. From video processing to immersive entertainment, ChatGPT-5 promises to push the boundaries of what we thought was possible. In this video, we will explore the top 6 most impressive abilities that we can expect from this incredible new language model. Number 6. Expanded Understanding. GPT-3 can analyze text, while GPT-4 has the groundbreaking new capability of comprehending and analyzing photos. GPT-5, on the other hand, will be able to handle audio and video in addition to text and images. GPT-5 will be able to analyze and provide correct transcriptions, summaries, and translations across a number of media types, thanks to this advanced degree of comprehension. This will change how we consume material. However, the introduction of autonomously generated media would be the most astounding part of this. With this, anyone could become a filmmaker, because you could theoretically make complete movies or video games just on a word description or a sample of video. I hope this doesn't get too popular, because I admire how movies are made. However, it might simply make it simpler for someone like Guillermo del Toro to complete his film without having to pay a crew. Number 5. General Robots. Powering generally capable robots would be GPT-5's next capability. Robots with a remarkable degree of general intelligence might be propelled by GPT-5 in the real world. For instance, a home robot could prepare a complete meal by using its multimodality to first identify the necessary items based on what is available, ask you what you desire, then prepare the dish in accordance with the user's request. It might even be able to do the laundry, take out the garbage, and all the other things you're too lazy to do yourself if it had the correct arms. Then there is the actual robot's business, in which OpenAI has recently made an investment, and we'll talk more about that later. Number 4. Feature interactive multimedia. GPT-5 might mark a turning point for the entertainment industry. The storylines of video games and movies can now change in real time depending on the viewer's actions, mood, or involvement. Imagine being able to customize every aspect of your favorite RPG video game. The user would have a fresh experience each time, which would inspire unlimited exploration and creative ideas, which in turn might encourage businesses to market multi-experience media formats. The viewers of this AI media might share their insights on social media, resulting in the ultimate memes, viral experiences. However, the following GPT-5 skill will directly impact your day-to-day activities. Number 3. Transformation of sectors. GPT-5, the next generation of the GPT language model, has the potential to transform various fields such as medicine, scientific research, business, and the workplace. In medicine, GPT-5 could analyze medical data and help with diagnostics, treatment plans, and drug discovery. In scientific research, it could assist with analyzing complex data and making breakthroughs in various fields. In business, GPT-5 could optimize supply chains, study customer trends, and develop marketing strategies. In finance, it could enhance trading algorithms and fraud detection. In the workplace, GPT-5 could automate mundane tasks, leading to a need for workers to adapt to a more collaborative environment with robots. Overall, GPT-5 could revolutionize the way we approach various industries and fields. Number 2. AI development. Because GPT-5 can generate in a variety of modalities, it will probably be able to develop its own artificial intelligence to take on new tasks and master new skills. Additionally, they may link many AI models collectively to create something even more powerful. Simply put, this one screams singularity. But to our better judgment, we'll just keep making these smarter. A brand new, larger version of the internet that expands independently and at its own speed could be created as a result of this capability. It might also lead to the sowing of the seeds of humanity's destruction. Who cares though? We'd love to keep you informed about the most recent news and technological developments. If you're enjoying this content, please subscribe to the channel and aid us in achieving our target of 10,000 active subscribers. Returning to the video now. Number 1. Ability to act as a virtual assistant. Finally, GPT-5 could be able to serve as a personalized virtual assistant in all areas of our lives. While choosing your toaster to these systems would make your work and personal life easier and adapt to your preferences in ways we've never seen before, this VA would demonstrate general intelligence across many domains with access to many devices, including home appliances, phones, robots, cars, and office equipment. It's like a smarter Siri. Imagine having a personal assistant who streamlines your daily routines and improves every gadget you use. GPT-5 has the potential to permanently improve the efficiency of your way of life. Well, that's it for today's video on how ChatGPT-5 will change the world. What do you think about ChatGPT-5? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.